Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, Trump at Zelensky nagkasagutan no sa meeting sa White House. Ayan, sila. Intro muna tayo. Alright, nagkainitan sina US President Donald Trump at Ukraine President Vladimir. Ayan, sa kanilang meeting sa White House dahilan upang ikanselahin ang nakatakdang paglagda ng rare earth mineral agreement ng dalawang bansa at in-escort palabas si Zelensky sa White House ng Pangulo ng Ukraine. Alright, panoorin po natin guys, and the further ado, let's do watch guys dito sa UNTV. Alright.
Nagkainitan sina US President Donald Trump at Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky sa White House nitong Biyernes dahilan upang kansilahin ang nakatakdang paglagda ng Rare Earth Mineral Agreement ng dalawang bansa. Ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na nakipagsagutan ng isang US President sa kanyang bisita. Pinastigo ni Trump si Zelensky dahil tila hindi man lang nito ipinagpapasalamat ang tulong ng US upang...
Oo nga, laki ng tulong ng US no, sa gera sa Ukraine.
Ang resolbahin ang gera nito sa Russia. Maging si US Vice President J.D. Vance ay hindi na rin nakapagtimpi sa inasal ng Ukrainian President. Git ni Vance, dapat ay matuwa pa si Zelensky sa madiplomasyang pakikipag-usap ni Trump kay Russian President Vladimir Putin para itigil na nito ang pag-atake sa Ukraine.
What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you are not strong...
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the President for to bring an end to this conflict.
Ayon naman kay Trump, kung tutuusin ay walang laban si Zelensky sa Russia kung hindi tutulungan ng US, bagay na tila hindi nito minamahalaga. Habang nagsasalita ay pilit na sumasabat si Zelensky kaya naubos na ang pasensya ni Trump.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about it.
From the very beginning of the war,
you're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having cards. But right now, you don't. Yeah, you're playing cards. You're playing cards. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people. You're gambling with World War III. You're gambling with World War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country.
Sa huli tinawag na nito si Secretary of State Marco Rubio upang i-escort na palabas si Zelensky.
Yun lang, sinagot-sagot si Trump. Kaya siguro nagalit etong si Trump kay Zelensky, no? Alright, kaya pinalabas na lang ng White House.
At ang iba pa nitong kasamahan. Matapos ito ay naglabas ng pahayag si Trump na makababalik lamang si Zelensky sa US kapag handa na siyang makipagpayapaan.
Ayun. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood, pagkikinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again sa the next one sa ating reaction video. And peace out sa inyong lahat. Keep safe and healthy. Alright, thank you so much.